back to the Mom Minute for day 8. We've spent a lot of time so far talking about movement, motivation, things like that. But today I want to talk about how to fuel the engine and a little more nutrition. So if you are a coffee for breakfast kind of mom, then this one is definitely for you. This one is definitely for you. Okay. Also, just make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of these tips during May, because I'm dropping 31 great bombs for you. Now, I know that the morning rush is super real. Between getting the kids ready and out the door, maybe you have to sneak in workouts early in the morning. Breakfast usually falls to the bottom of the list. And I know for me, that was a big one. But skipping meals isn't doing your recovery or your energy levels any favors. Okay, so remember, I like to go with balance and moderation. We're not doing super calorie counting here. We're just making sure that you're getting in what you need: protein, fiber, nutrients, those good things, right? Especially if you're doing a lot of working out. So I have this 1-minute protein hack that hopefully can help you the same way it helped me. I'm not a big protein shake person. It just doesn't do it for me. I never feel super full after. So I started doing the drinkable yogurts, which you can find at almost any grocery store. They come in 10, 20, 30 grams, maybe something even in between that, of protein per bottle. And I even like to add something like a couple tablespoons of chia seeds into mine because it gives it that extra fiber and that healthy fat, which really makes it more of a complete meal in a way, or snack. It's zero prep. You can drink it while you're driving to school drop off. It keeps your blood sugar steady so you aren't hangry by 10 a.m. And it's just super easy. No dishes, no meal prep, all of the things that are super helpful for those busy mornings. Because fueling your body shouldn't be a chore. You shouldn't dread it. It shouldn't be something you hate. And so if you want, this is a great way to just give it a try and see. It's a great way to fulfill some of those needs and get that protein in. Like I said, adding something like simple like chia seeds, you're still out the door in less than a minute, and it's a nice filling treat for you to start the day. If you want more, make sure you grab the Pelvic Floor Essentials Guide in the link below, and I will see you guys for another Mom Minute tomorrow.